So here's my idea. Let's find out what's inside this designer bag. Is it really a quality made bag? And I guess we'll have to take it apart to find out. So let's get into this and find out what we have here. Kind of interesting as I get into the handle here to find out that there really isn't that much holding on. When I make a bag, I seem to sweat the details of attaching the handle more than they've got on this, but obviously it is held up. And as I go along here, the bag is actually pretty well made. So maybe this wasn't a great idea to take this bag apart, but I guess we'll find out here when we get done. So as I get into this bag further here, I'm seeing that I've got a little bit of leather to work with here, and I need ideas on what to do with this. Should I make keychains out of it? Should I make minimalist wallets out of it? Or should I just make a smaller bag? And then if I make that smaller bag, would it be okay to put the designer label back on it? Because it is their bag, just quote unquote repaired and reworked. If you would, put in your comments what you think I should do. And can I call it a Coach bag once it's done? Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll let you finish the rest of this video. Have a great day.